those? They're bulldogs. So like literally when they come up and say hi, they're like, and they're so cute. And I go, below me. You're mine. It's a prebiotic soda. It's really, really good. I don't know why I just did that. Wish you could smell it. Who else carries underwear in their purse? We are going over to the pet store because we're going to visit my husband's brothers. Now, one of his brothers, his name's Alex, has the cutest dogs ever. The one's Baloo, which I call him Balooby, and the other one is Bella. But they're both, what are those? They're bulldogs. So like literally when they come up and say hi, they're like, and they're so cute. And I go, below me, Bella. And so I'm going to get him some toys because we're going to go see them. And then I brought some macaroons that this really nice woman in Zumba named Beth Reich makes. She has a business, and I need to check on my Facebook page what her business is called, but she makes them for people, so she's a commercial business. But look how pretty this is, and the packaging was so pretty. But I'm going to do a mukbang while I'm driving to the pet store because my 10 o'clock annual patient did not show up, so I've got 1 hour to get. Oh, and I can mail off Christy Russell's gift. So we'll see if we can get all 3 things done. We're going to do mukbang while I'm driving, go to the pet store, get 2 toys, and then go to USPS and drop off Christy's gift. Because that one's easy. Like I can use that automatic thing. This one, and I've got this other one. I've never had macaroons till last night. She got me 4 of them, and of course 2 of them are gone. They just jumped in my mouth. Oh, this is my favorite. This is my favorite. Oh wow, this is really good. Lemony. Oh, it's just lemon. It's lemon heaven. Woo! Man, that was a good macaroon. I don't know how she makes them. They're all like light and fluffy. Oh man, that was delicious. I hope Petsmart's still open. Oh, thank goodness it's still open. I'm always worried when all these businesses are closing, but Petsmart's still open.
Go ahead.
Jolly play pack. Holly Jolly play pack. This looks cool. Hi guys. Holly Jolly play pack. It's a dude. I wonder if I should get Kona something. She likes treats. Oh my gosh, that's like a femur. Took that right off a human. Let's see. Well, I don't know what Kona wants. I can't think right now. I'll just get this. Oh look, they have macaroons for pets. That's hilarious. Gia likes these. Gia likes those things. Hope you guys are timing me because now it's 10:31. We are going to head 10:31. We're gonna go to the post office, and then we're gonna go to the dry cleaners, then back to the office by 11. So glad we can drop off this thing for Christy. I'm so excited. I'm not even gonna say what it is. Lots and lots of traffic in the world. Lots and lots of traffic in the world. Someday I will turn right, but for now we just think, let's sit tight. There's lots of traffic in the world. What's the fastest way to the post office? Do we have time? I don't think we have time for the post office. We need to pick up the dry cleaning. Post haste. So I'm going to take this way to the dry cleaners because this is the best way to go. I'm going to show you how crazy this street is in our town. It is the busiest street ever since I was in high school. It's crazy. There's no turning lanes. There's no lights all the way down. It's like the highway of death. Nuts. This here. Let's the dash cam begin. Keeping my hands on the wheel and my head on calmly. Look at this. Ooh. I just ease on by you too. Different people trying to turn out. Ooh. Another person is trying to turn left. Just ease on by, just ease on by. Highway of death. This place always makes me nervous right here where we all have to turn left. Like synchronized swimmers, it's like one little minuscule like inch off and we're gonna hit each other's cars. Here we are, Dick's Road Cleaners. Okay, I had nothing to pick up. So I could have gone to the post office. It's okay, I'll have time. Because those self-service machines at the post office are open 24 hours. So I can just go after hours. I'll see you guys later for another mukbang for my lunch, for sure.